In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money on your eBay purchases by using coupon codes. Whether you're an avid online shopper or just looking to make that occasional purchase a little more budget friendly, knowing how to find and apply coupon codes can be a great skill to have. First, let's open up your Google Chrome browser. This is the gateway to finding reliable coupon codes. It's crucial to visit only trusted coupon sites to ensure that the codes you're using are legitimate and up to date. Sites such as Retail Me Not or Honey have been well reviewed by users and are widely recognized for housing a collection of valid coupons and deals. Once you're on one of these trusted sites, type Best eBay Coupon Codes into the search bar. This will bring up a list of current codes that you can use for your shopping on eBay. Take your time to scroll through this list to identify which codes might work best for you. Some may offer discounts on specific categories, while others might provide a percentage off your total purchase. Be particularly mindful of the valid dates to ensure the code hasn't expired. A little patience here can pay off in big savings. Now that you've identified a promising code, copy it by highlighting it and right-clicking to choose the copy option. You could also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you prefer. Remember to keep this code handy since we'll need it shortly. Next, head over to eBay and browse for the products you wish to purchase. Add these items to your cart as you normally would. Once all your desired items are in your cart, proceed to the checkout process. Here, you'll find a field labeled something like Enter Coupon Code or Apply Discount Code. Click into this box and paste your copied coupon code using Ctrl+V or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Make sure to apply the code to activate the discount. At this stage, confirm that the discount has been properly applied. It's important to do a final review of your purchase total to ensure you're getting the expected savings. If everything looks good, go ahead and finish your purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of finding and applying a coupon code on eBay. By taking these simple steps, you can make the most of your online shopping and keep a few extra dollars in your pocket. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.